This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter. Part 1. The hidden power your Audi is losing. Most Audi owners think performance upgrades require expensive tuning, remaps, or thousands of dollars at a performance shop. But here's the truth. Your Audi is often not underpowered. It's restricted. Restricted by small components that slowly reduce efficiency, airflow, ignition quality, and response. Over time, tiny wear items begin to hold the engine back. Not enough to trigger a warning light. Not enough to create obvious failure. But enough to reduce throttle response, turbo efficiency, combustion quality, and acceleration sharpness. And this is exactly where smart Audi owners win. Because before you add horsepower, you need to restore the horsepower that is already there. In this episode, we're focusing on 6 small replacement parts that can dramatically improve how your Audi feels, without expensive labor and without dealership intervention. These are not extreme modifications. These are precision maintenance performance upgrades. When these components are worn, your Audi may feel slightly slower off the line, hesitate during throttle input, lose turbo sharpness, consume more fuel than usual, deliver less torque in mid-range, feel heavy during acceleration. But once corrected, throttle response sharpens, acceleration becomes cleaner, turbo spools quicker, gear changes feel more direct. And the best part? Most of these parts are inexpensive and can be replaced without a workshop if you have basic tools and a little attention. We're talking about airflow, ignition efficiency, boost control precision, and drivetrain responsiveness. Audi engines, especially turbocharged TFSI and TDI units, rely on perfect balance between air, fuel, spark, and pressure. When one small element degrades, the entire system becomes less aggressive. Not broken, just less powerful. In Part 2, we'll start with the first 2 components that directly affect airflow and combustion efficiency, and that alone can restore a noticeable percentage of lost performance. Because sometimes the fastest way to gain power is simply to stop losing it. If you want your Audi to feel stronger, you start where power is created, air and spark. Modern Audi turbo engines are extremely sensitive to airflow precision. They rely on exact measurements from sensors and smooth, unrestricted intake paths. When airflow becomes inaccurate or restricted, performance drops silently. The first component we address is the mass airflow sensor, also known as the MEF. This small sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine. The ECU uses this data to calculate fuel injection, ignition timing, and boost pressure. When the MEF becomes dirty, even slightly, it misreads airflow. The engine then runs less efficiently. Fuel mixture becomes conservative. Turbo response softens. You don't get a check engine light immediately. You just get slower acceleration. Cleaning the MEF with proper sensor cleaner, not brake cleaner, not random spray, restores measurement accuracy. The difference is often immediate. Throttle becomes sharper. Boost builds more predictably. Mid-range torque feels cleaner. It's one of the easiest and cheapest ways to restore lost responsiveness. Now the second component, spark plugs and ignition coils. Turbocharged Audi engines operate under high cylinder pressure. That means ignition must be strong and precise. Worn spark plugs reduce spark intensity. Weak ignition causes micromisfires under load. The ECU compensates by softening power delivery. You may never see a fault code, but you will feel reduced punch. Fresh OEM spec spark plugs, correctly gapped, restore combustion efficiency. Upgraded OEM Plus ignition coils improve spark stability under boost. The result? Stronger acceleration under load, cleaner throttle response, better high RPM pull, more consistent turbo behavior. You are not adding artificial horsepower. You are restoring combustion efficiency. When airflow measurement is accurate and ignition is strong, your Audi engine operates at its intended performance level. Combine MEF cleaning with fresh plugs and coils, and you already remove 2 major sources of hidden power loss. In many cases, drivers report the car feels 10% more responsive, not because power increased dramatically, but because inefficiencies were eliminated. And this is just the beginning. In Part 3, we move to fuel delivery and throttle precision. two areas where small maintenance upgrades can make your Audi feel significantly more aggressive without tuning. Part 3. Fuel delivery and throttle precision, where response is born. Now we move to another area most Audi owners ignore until something fails: fuel delivery and throttle control. Performance doesn't only depend on air and spark. It depends on how precisely fuel is delivered and how accurately the throttle body reacts to your input. Let's start with the fuel system. Over time, injectors accumulate deposits. Even minor buildup changes spray pattern efficiency. When spray pattern becomes less precise, combustion becomes slightly uneven. The ECU compensates by adjusting fuel trims, often conservatively. You won't see dramatic failure, but you may feel slight hesitation under acceleration, less smooth mid-range pull, reduced throttle sharpness, small delay when applying power. Using a high-quality fuel system cleaner designed for direct injection engines can help remove minor deposits and restore injector efficiency. It's not magic, it's chemistry. Cleaner injectors deliver finer atomization, which improves combustion consistency. The result? More stable torque delivery, smoother acceleration, cleaner power curve. Now let's talk about something even more important: the throttle body. Modern Audi engines use electronic throttle control. There is no direct cable connection. Your pedal input is interpreted by the ECU, which then commands the throttle plate. If the throttle body accumulates carbon or residue, the plate doesn't move as freely or precisely as it should. Even minor buildup changes airflow calibration. Symptoms often include inconsistent idle, slight lag when pressing the pedal, reduced low RPM response. Cleaning the throttle body carefully, following proper procedure, restores airflow precision. Once cleaned, the throttle adaptation reset allows the ECU to recalibrate airflow baseline. When airflow measurement, fuel delivery, and throttle precision all align, the engine feels more immediate. Now one more overlooked component: boost hoses and vacuum lines. On turbo Audi engines, small cracks or aging hoses can cause micro-leaks. Not large enough to trigger a warning, but enough to reduce boost efficiency. Even a slight pressure loss means the turbo must work harder to reach target boost. That results in slower spool, reduced torque, higher intake temperatures. Replacing aging hoses restores boost consistency. And when boost consistency improves, acceleration becomes stronger and more predictable. Combined, clean MEF, fresh spark plugs, fuel system cleaner, clean throttle body, healthy boost hoses, and suddenly your Audi feels alive again. Not tuned, not modified, restored. In Part 4, we'll bring everything together and explain how these 6 small replacements combine into a measurable real-world improvement in responsiveness and acceleration feel.
Part 4. How 6 small parts combine into real performance gains. Now let's connect everything. We didn't talk about extreme tuning. We didn't flash the ECU. We didn't install oversized turbos. We focused on 6 small replacement components that restore efficiency: engine air filter, mass airflow sensor cleaning, spark plugs and ignition coils, fuel system cleaner, throttle body cleaning, boost hoses and vacuum lines. Individually, each one offers a small improvement, but together, they remove layers of hidden restriction. Modern Audi engines are extremely sensitive to precision. When airflow is clean, ignition is strong, fuel delivery is accurate, and boost pressure is consistent, the engine operates closer to its engineered potential. Here's what most owners don't realize: performance loss doesn't happen all at once. It fades gradually. Over 2 or 3 years, small inefficiencies accumulate. Throttle response softens. Turbo spool slows slightly. Gear transitions feel heavier. You adapt to it until you restore it. When all 6 components are refreshed or cleaned, drivers typically report sharper throttle response, faster turbo spool, cleaner mid-range acceleration, stronger pull at higher RPM, smoother gear engagement, reduced hesitation under load. Are we talking about 50 extra horsepower? No, but in real-world driving feel, restoring lost efficiency can make the car feel 10 to 20% more responsive depending on its previous condition. And responsiveness is what makes a car feel powerful. This is the key difference between chasing numbers and restoring performance. Audi engineers designed these engines with tight tolerances and optimized airflow paths. When those systems are clean and precise, the car performs exactly as intended. When they degrade, performance quietly declines. You don't need a workshop for most of these upgrades. You need attention, proper parts, and understanding. And if you want more practical Audi performance guides like this, focused only on real improvements and real results, subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to keep building in-depth Audi performance content for drivers who want to unlock everything their car is capable of. In the next episode, we'll explore how software adaptation and driving style can further enhance the improvements you just made. Because restoring power is step 1, optimizing it is step 2.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.